अब ज़रा बात करते हैं ख़त्ताती की। ख़त्ताती जो है वो दुनिया के कदीम तरीन फ़नून में से एक है और अक्सर हम जो है वो ख़त्ताती के नमूने देखते हैं, मुख्तलिफ़ जो हिस्टोरिकल इमारात होती हैं और हर ख़ित्ते की ख़त्ताती जो है उसका एक अलग रंग होता है। आज हमारे साथ एक बड़े ज़बरदस्त ख़त्तात मौजूद हैं।
लेकिन
जी,
उधर जाने से पहले हम नाजरीन को जरा तस्वीरें दिखाते
पहले
हैं।
तस्वीरें देखें,
2 अदद तस्वीरें दिखाते हैं जो मेरी बनाई है उन्होंने और अवैस की बनाई है। जरा दिखाएं जी, मेरी और अवैस की तस्वीरें दिखाएं। खत्ताती
से उन्होंने वो तस्वीर बनाई है, बड़ी ज़बरदस्त, और उसके अंदर जो है हमारा नाम लिखा हुआ है। ये अवैस देखें आप किस कदर खूबसूरत,
और अवैस की वेस्ट कोट पे भी उनके नाम की खत्ताती हुई हुई है और
ज़बरदस्त। वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है भाई। ये बनाई इन्होंने तस्वीर, और दूसरी जो तस्वीर है वो भी दिखा दें वरना शिफा नाराज़ हो जाएंगी कि
मेरी उन्होंने बनाई, सर पे
चेहरा इन्होंने नहीं बनाया।
हाँ,
और इन्होंने जो है वो बाकी जो कारीगरी की है इसके अंदर वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है।
मेरे बाल आगे आए हुए थे तो उन बालों पे उन्होंने मेरा नाम लिखा, फिर दुपट्टा दूसरी तरफ उस पे नाम लिखा। बड़ा खूबसूरत इन्होंने बनाई है,
ज़बरदस्त। इनकी बाकी तस्वीर भी आपको दिखाते रहेंगे। हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जी हमाद हैदर साहब। अस्सलाम वालेकुम हमाद।
वालेकुम सलाम।
हाउ आर यू डूइंग? हाउ इज रमजान?
आई एम डूइंग फाइन, इट्स गोइंग रियली वेल, थैंक यू।
यूके से हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं हमाद, और ज़्यादातर तो खैर ये कहते हैं कि अंग्रेज़ी में बात करनी है, लेकिन हम थोड़ी बहुत उर्दू की भी कोशिश करते रहेंगे। हाउ मच उर्दू कैन वी स्पीक विद यू?
Only small greetings.
ग्रीटिंग्स। तो हमाद, व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट? मतलब एक वैसे तो हमारे जो यूथ है वो बाकी पेंटिंग्स और कन्वेंशनल आर्ट की तरफ जाते हैं, आपने ये कैलीग्राफी में गाड़ियां बनाई हुई हैं और वो स्पोर्ट्स कार्स बनाई हुई हैं, ये इस
एवरीथिंग इन कैलीग्राफी।
हाँ, हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट?
So it started about 6 years ago. I started off with the kind of basics of calligraphy, the kind of letters, and learning the rulings of calligraphy. And once I got kind of comfortable with Arabic calligraphy, and I specified in one script so that I could get used to the kind of elements of writing. And then when I was more comfortable, I started to develop my own style, which is in the shape. I tried to put together my love of architecture with Arabic calligraphy so that it's more visual to the audience, and also that it could be understood by a wider audience, so even non-Muslims could see the drawing, the painting, and could relate to it on a wider scale.
So have you done any exhibitions? Because you have mentioned non-Muslims and you're living in UK. So have you carried out any exhibitions, and what was the response from non-Muslims and people who are not very familiar with Arabic calligraphy?
Yes, so especially my university years, which is the 3 years that have gone by before 2020, I used to do every year like small exhibitions in the university environment, also charity events where non-Muslims would come and they would want their name written in calligraphy, and in that process they would ask questions about Islam, about Arabic calligraphy, the practice, and how I started, and so it's a nice conversation in the end. So yeah, it's been a really good journey.
Great. Okay. Also tell me, who's your inspiration when it comes to calligraphy, and who's your teacher?
I actually don't have a teacher. Everything has been self-taught. So I have a number of inspirations, and it's hard to pick one because through the years I've kind of picked up different styles, and along the way many people, especially on social media, Instagram, platforms like those, it's good to see work that's already there and take inspiration. And then eventually when you feel like you've learned something, then you can put into practice and create something of your own. So yeah, it's been a number of people that have kind of helped me on the journey.
Talking about creating something, would you be able to do some creation in front of us
right
live
now?
During the show right now?
Yeah, I can. I'll just need to set up the camera a few minutes.
Okay, great. So
then you can fix your camera. Hamad, so are you ready with your paper and sketch marker or whatever do you use for it?
Devices that you use.
Devices. Equipment.
Yes.
Great.
Yes,
okay.
So Hamad, keep making it.
Let's start.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to write just the word Ramadan in a certain shape and also written simply.
Okay. So you keep writing it. Hamad, बताएं जी कहाँ तक पहुँचे आपकी खताती?
Halfway.
Halfway. Okay. Can we have the full? Can we have it on full screen? जरा दिखाइएगा.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
This is Ramzan Mubarak. Okay. And in the right corner, I believe you'll be making a Quran. Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है. So keep making it.
चलते हैं जरा देखते हैं कि वो जो हमारा खत्ताती का एक शाहकार तैयार हो रहा था वो कहाँ तक पहुँचा. जी हमाद.
All right.
Okay, so this is the final piece.
Yes, it's just a quick one. Yes.
Okay, it is beautiful. It was quick, but it is beautiful. Ramazan Mubarak, and it has the Quran in the corner. Okay. And how much time did it take for you to make this?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yes.
For 10 minutes, this is great. This is amazing stuff.
So how can one learn on self-taught basis? How can one learn? What are the resources, if you could share with people and the youth that is watching you at the moment?
So in terms of resources, I think because it's currently a very technological advanced society, I think most of the information is available online and through kind of videos, YouTube, and I think a majority of the work I've seen and that's helped me, it's been through social media. So I think, yes, but to learn the raw basics, I think it's better to learn with a teacher that is close by, so you can actually physically see the writing.
Okay, and is it a good thing? Is it something that can give you some good income also?
पैसे में ऐसे गटोले शिकस करना.
Yes, if you have the right amount of experience, and because initially when people start, it's just a hobby. Yes. So as you go through the years, it can develop into something that can support you as a career. But in my case, I used it as something to kind of provide extra kind of design options to my main profession, which is architecture. So it can support one another. Yes.
Great. Thank you, Hamad.
All the best, Hamad, for your future endeavors, and do make a portrait, calligraphic portrait of our chef Aisha.